Oh, my poor Milwaukee got ran over by a semi-truck because I left it unattended. And yeah, busted the anvil up, crushed it. Definitely destroyed the battery. Body-wise, body held up. And you want to know something better? This still works. Oddly enough. So yeah, Milwaukee definitely makes a tough tool. So suck it, Snap-on. But in light of all of that, we did get an upgrade today. By the way, Tarek, thank you for that one. It has been a useful little tool, but we got the new one in today. Got the full kit with a 4 amp hour battery. That one I'll take home. And this kit is the 2552-22. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description there because I picked this up on Amazon. That was the cheapest place I could find it. But definitely be paying attention to where I leave stuff from here on out. Anyways, quick update for y'all, and hope y'all have a good weekend. Bye.